A print server is a technological gem that efficiently manages and distributes printing tasks within a network, streamlining the printing process and enhancing productivity for all connected users. But which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 print servers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best print servers. The 5th product on this list is the D-Link DPR1260 RangeBooster. Experience the ultimate in printing convenience with the D-Link multifunction print server, a dynamic solution catering to both home and office printing demands. Effortlessly share printing resources across a multitude of devices through its ingenious network-ready feature, unlocking precious time and energy. The sleek ebony design not only ensures functionality but also adds an air of professionalism to any environment. Versatility takes center stage as the D-Link boasts compatibility with various operating systems including Mac OS X, Linux, and Windows. This compatibility extends its reach to diverse computing landscapes, ensuring seamless integration. Despite its featherweight construction, merely tipping the scales at 0.4 pounds, its compact form guarantees minimal desk space consumption, ideal for those seeking order in their workspace. No printing task is too intricate. From monochrome documents to detailed labels, the D-Link effortlessly adapts to your every need. Seamlessly integrated into your existing network setup, relishing the convenience of shared printing. If you're in search of a steadfast, network-ready print server elevating productivity in both domestic and professional spheres, the D-Link RangeBooster print server stands as an unequivocal choice. Its pros are: it has easy printer sharing across multiple devices on a network, enhancing efficiency and convenience. It is compatible with various operating systems, and it has a low weight and portable construction with a compact size. However, it's not the fastest to set up initially due to the old manual networking design. The D-Link DPR1260 RangeBooster is ideal for offices and homes to allow you to effortlessly print from anywhere. Up next in 4th place is the DYMO LabelWriter print server. Discover the unparalleled efficiency of the DYMO print server, an innovation that reshapes wireless printer connectivity for modern office dynamics. Crafted to perfection for today's workplaces, this print server harmonizes convenience and performance seamlessly. It harmoniously syncs with Mac OS and Windows operating systems, serving as the gateway to effortless printer sharing. Users can execute print tasks wirelessly from computers or mobile devices, redefining convenience. Flexibility finds a new dimension with its dual connectivity prowess. Immerse in the contemporaneity of the USB 2.0 or embrace the classic reliability of an Ethernet cable. This adaptability ensures a bespoke fit for diverse office configurations, adapting to your distinct needs. The setup of the DYMO remains an uncomplicated process, guided by lucid instructions that ensure effortless navigation. Unleash the potential of streamlined wireless printing, manifesting impeccable printouts with remarkable speed. Its unwavering reliability transforms it into a staunch ally within your office landscape. Sporting a compact form and an airy build, seamlessly integrating this print server into your existing office ecosystem becomes an endeavor marked by simplicity, eradicating unnecessary complexities. Whether you're revolutionizing print workflows or enhancing convenience through wireless printing, the DYMO stands as a stalwart embodiment of features and reliability. It's poised to catapult your office's productivity to unprecedented heights. Its pros are: it allows easy wireless printing from computers and mobile devices, enhancing convenience. It supports both USB 2.0 and Ethernet connections, and it offers reliable and consistent printing, ensuring high-quality printouts within seconds. However, it may not be compatible with all printer models. The DYMO LabelWriter print server is an excellent choice for businesses seeking efficient wireless printing solutions, allowing seamless connectivity from various devices for enhanced productivity and convenience. Still haven't found a print server that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Lantronix xPrintServer Network Edition. This unit from Lantronix emerges as a game changer for professionals looking for seamless wireless printing, particularly within the iOS ecosystem. This innovative marvel eradicates the necessity for additional app installations on iOS devices or desktops, rendering it profoundly convenient for both individuals and enterprises. Tailored for both indoor and outdoor usage, the xPrintServer Network Edition shines with its commitment to automatic printer discovery and provisioning, all without the need for any manual configuration. Courtesy of its cutting-edge zero-conference technology, Packed with features, this print server adroitly tackles the prevalent printing challenges that often plague companies grappling with extensive printer fleets and stringent installation protocols. Lantronix, a distinguished California-based entity renowned for its secure communication technologies, extends a bridge between iOS devices and networked printers, even those that don't boast AirPrint support. For enterprises yearning to amplify productivity and streamline their print workflows, the xPrintServer Network Edition emerges as a pragmatic and straightforward solution. Its featherweight, compact design and wireless prowess deem it indispensable for iOS users on the quest for versatile and efficient printing possibilities. Its pros are: it enables wireless printing from iOS devices to networked printers, eliminating the need for additional apps or installations. It is compatible with various devices, including smartphones, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor usage. And it boasts automatic printer discovery and provisioning, making setup hassle-free with zero configuration requirements. However, it has a lack of configuration options, so it is limited in some ways. The Lantronix xPrintServer Network Edition is an ideal solution for businesses and individuals heavily reliant on Apple iOS devices and networked printers, offering seamless wireless printing without the need for extra apps. The second product on this list is the XMedia XM-PS110P. This next fast Ethernet parallel print server extends an effortless remedy for linking vintage parallel printers to your network. With its expansive compatibility spanning over 230 printer models, coupled with multi-protocol and multi-OS environment support, this print server guarantees effortless integration across diverse network configurations. Navigating the realm of the XMedia PS110P is a walk in the park, ensuring user-friendliness even for those with limited technical exposure. Inclusion of features like a power-on self-test and email alerts expedites the detection and resolution of potential printing hiccups, demonstrating its commitment to seamless functionality. For those in possession of legacy parallel printers devoid of network connectivity, the XMedia PS110P emerges as a cost-effective and efficient conduit into the modern network panorama. Its extensive compatibility and streamlined setup designate it as a prized asset for both domestic and professional domains. However, bear in mind that its optimal performance is observed with older parallel printers, and while its attributes are commendable, they might not parallel the sophistication of contemporary print server counterparts. Its pros are: it offers a wide range of compatibility, it supports various protocols and operating systems, making it versatile, and it is easy to install and operate and suitable for users with varying technical expertise. However, it doesn't provide all the bells and whistles found in more contemporary print server models. The XMedia XM-PS110P is an excellent choice for those seeking a cost-effective solution to connect their legacy parallel printers to modern networks. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top print server is the StarTech wireless print server. Elevating the realm of print servers, the StarTech print server reigns supreme as the pinnacle of innovation. Tailored to the needs of individuals and small businesses, it reshapes the landscape of printer sharing across myriad users through both Wi-Fi and wired LAN connections. The embodiment of versatility, this print server's compatibility with USB 2.0 standards, coupled with its wide-ranging embrace of USB printers and diverse operating systems, renders it an unrivaled powerhouse suitable for any environment. With the added boon of SNMP support, its management capabilities ascend to new heights, enabling seamless remote monitoring. Unleash the potential of your network with a print server that stands as a paragon of wireless standards. StarTech ensures compatibility with an array of wireless networks, and lest we forget the strength of the RJ45 port for 10-100 Mbps wired connections, catering to those who prefer the reliability of wired setups. Sculpting a future of efficiency, this print server liberates workplaces from the shackles of individual printers per workstation, resulting in cost savings and a pristine, uncluttered space. The setup process, guided by a web-based interface, a Windows installation wizard, and the Wi-Fi protected setup button, exemplifies seamlessness, ensuring rapid and effortless connectivity to your network. In a world of printer servers, the StarTech Network Print Server emerges not just as an option but as the embodiment of optimal functionality and streamlined efficacy, setting a benchmark that stands unchallenged. Its pros are: it works with a wide range of USB printers and various operating systems, making it suitable for mixed environments. It supports modern wireless standards, allowing convenient printing access from anywhere within the network. It enables remote monitoring and management of the print server, and it offers a hassle-free setup process through a web-based interface. However, it relies on a stable network connection. Any network disruptions could affect its performance. The StarTech wireless print server is a highly comprehensive device and an efficient solution for those looking to streamline their printing setup and improve printing accessibility across their network. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.